I'm going to show you how to find out your Roblox password if you've forgotten it. This method is simpler and easier than resetting your account password. First, go to the official Roblox website and log into your account. This tutorial will work if you're using Google Chrome as your browser, which is what I'm using in this example. Once you're logged into your account, click on the three dots in the top right corner of Google Chrome to open the browser settings. From there, click on Passwords and Autofill, and then select Google Password Manager. Here, you'll see all the passwords that have been saved in your Google browser. If you've previously saved your Roblox password, you'll find an entry called roblox.com. If you're having trouble finding it, simply type Roblox into the search bar. After you find roblox.com, click on it. You'll see your username and password. To reveal your password, just click on the eye icon and your Roblox password will be displayed. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to the channel to support us, and don't forget to leave a like on the video.